Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss our next topic, which is organization of data. So, when an investigator collects data for an investigation, these are just raw data, as we have already read. Raw data are not capable of offering any meaningful conclusion. This is just like a lump of clay without any specific shape or identity. So, data are to be organized before these are presented in final observations or conclusions. So, what will be the meaning of organization of data? It refers to the arrangement of figure in such a form that comparison of the mass of similar data may be facilitated and further analysis may be possible. An important method of organization of data is to distribute this data into different classes on the basis of their characteristics. This process is called classification of data. Clear, beta? Organization of data means whatever data we have collected, we have to systematize this data so that it facilitate further analysis. Clear? Till now we have discussed about what is the type of data, how it is collected, different methods of collection. Now what we are doing, we are arranging the data. So here it has been given what is classification. How will you classify the data? So suppose there are 120 there are 200 families in your locality. You have collected data regarding their income, expenditure, education, religion, size of family, etc. But this data will be of title use unless you know how many families are educated and how many are uneducated. How many families earn an income exceeding rupees 5,000 per month and how many earn rupees 500 or less per month. In other words, in order to make the raw data meaningful, this must be classified on the basis of their different characteristics, such as educated families, uneducated families, rich families, poor families, etc. So, in simple way, we can say when we collect the data, we will have to organize this data in some basis point. If we are not organizing that data on the basis point, then that data is not useful. That arrangement is called classification. Clear? So classification is a process of arranging things in group or class according to their resemblance and affinity, and give expression to the unity of attributes that may exist the amongst a diversity of individuals. This is the definition of classification. I hope now you are able to understand the meaning of classification of data. Now, some objectives of classification. Main objective of the classification are as first, brief and simple. Main objective of classification is to present data in the form that appears to be brief and simple. Second one is utility. Classification enhance utility of the data as it brings out similarity within the diverse set of data. Now you know what is the meaning of utility. We have already studied in economics. After that, distinctiveness. Classification render obvious difference among the data more distinctly. Comparability is also possible. Scientific arrangement. Through classification we can arrange our data scientifically. And the last one is attractive and effective. Classification make the data more attractive and effective. So these are some characteristics, or no, sorry, not characteristics, these are some objectives of classification. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.